Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look on the euro currency. So here actually we're coming to the end of the week. In general, the overall setup that we have planned in the beginning of the week has worked perfectly, and you can see that the bounce up has happened precisely from an area that we have specified, and today we do not need to do actually much. So one thing that we could make is just move stops to break even, probably, if you prefer to wait the position through the weekend. If you do not want to do this, then probably somewhere by the end of the session think about the position closing and getting the result. So on the cross market analysis, if you take a look at the performance on the dollar index, you could see that here as we also have got this collapse down after the OP market right now is challenging the 30% support. This looks really bearish, as the response here was very small, which is potentially could confirm, indirectly confirm the idea of the double ripple pattern on the weekly chart that actually we are mostly trying to follow. So initial position has been taken. If you prefer to trade in the long term on the weekly chart, then probably you really possess yourself and just could keep the position with the pattern. For the daily intraday performance, as I said, think about the management. So maybe you will close position and reopen on next week. That's your usual probably routine work that you're doing every time. So on the 10-year bonds, the same story. We have the downside continuation. It's not very fast, but still it is gradual, and third day in a row we have the decreasing of the yields, which is also making pressure on the dollar. That correspondingly is a good sign for the euro, and you can see what really is going on. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we mostly keep everything the same. So we have the OP target 105.65. That's particularly the target that already has been reached by the dollar index. On the euro currency, it still stands ahead. And next one will be probably the extension of the potential butterfly here to the 106.20. Just to remind you that the target of the weekly pattern is around 107. So this will be already very close to the final target, minimum target of the double ripple with this possible upper performance. Today, if we take a look at the hourly chart, I do not see a lot of things that we could do. So that our suggestion of the resting hand and shoulders, you can see it works really nice. If you would like to step in with this upper direction, so you probably could take a look and watch for some pull back to one of the fib levels, but based on the most recent upper direction. This is a kind of the Minesweeper A techniques by the Napoli. So the idea is you are not trying to catch the reversal, you are not relying on any patterns, you are waiting with the response to the level starts. Once it has started, you're watching for a first swing and then trying to take position on the first retracement. That's the idea of the Minesweeper tactics from the Napoli. In particular, right now we stand with this. This technique has its own advantages because you are not trying to catch the fallen knife, and you will not be punished if you will take position and market will show the downside breakout. You're entering already when the market starts the action that you would like to. The cost of this is just you are taking a position with a bit worse price, so a bit higher than you could do this, for example, with the pattern. But for now, you can see that everything mostly stands great. On this way, we do not want to see any deep retracement. Particularly speaking, we do not want to see the downside breakout and taking out of these lows. So you could use this area as a validation point, because that's in fact the continuation of the large swing. So this was reaction on the OP. This potentially has to be the action to the XOP that we have here. So retracement on the OP already has happened. So that's why here we should not get any deep retracement and drop below these lows. So that's towards what we have for the euro currency. So let's keep watching, and hopefully double ripple will show the good result by the end.